OneStart Browser is an unwanted web browser application that may appear in the system without user consent. It sets itself as a default browser and redirects all the user queries to a different search engine, regardless of where the original query went. In this video, I will explain why this web browser appeared and how to remove it. First, let's figure out the nature of the OneStart browser. It is built on Chromium, an open-source web browser core that is available to anyone and is popular for personalized browser builds. In this case, however, we are dealing with a malicious app that only mimics being a web browser. Key visible symptoms of this browser's presence are hard to miss. It sets itself as a default system browser, meaning that any links you click in desktop applications will open in that browser. What's worse is the attempts of using it lead to all your search queries being redirected to a different search engine. In my test, the redirects went to Yahoo, but it may differ from one case to another. The main problem of this browser taking over others is that it is barely a secure application that you can trust your passwords and searches. It lacks all the security features present in mainstream browsers, so it is quite easy for hackers to just dump whatever you have in your browser. And being based on Chromium, it automatically copies passwords from Chrome at the moment it is installed, meaning that you have all chances to expose your otherwise secure passwords. Right, with all that being said, let's talk about the way to remove the OneStart Browser Virus from the system. A lot of users say about having troubles removing it in a regular way, through the application list or the uninstallation file. That may be due to some tricks that this application uses to prevent any user interruptions. What's worse, though, is that it is highly possible that Epi Browser was installed along with a pack of other unwanted apps, and all of them are now active in the system. That is why I recommend scanning your system with Soft and TimeAware. This program will quickly find and delete any unwanted programs from your computer, regardless of how did they appear or how well they protect against user removal. Download it by the link in the video description and run a standard scan. That will make the program check through the places where unwanted programs keep their files. The scan will take around 5 minutes. After the scan, click the Clean Now button to remove all the detected unwanted apps. As there may be a lot of unwanted applications, the removal may also take some time. Now the system is clean. Good luck and stay safe online.